Good afternoon, Denise DeLauder here, and today I'm going to show you my brand new wax kit. And this is for making wax seals that you can put on your cards or to seal an envelope, whatever you choose to do. So the first thing I'm going to do is I got a starter kit, and I'm going to light this candle, and I'm going to pour some of these enchanted gold beads into my spoon. That looks about right. And I'm going to melt this wax over this flame. I'm going to pour it onto a silicone mat so it won't stick. And I'm just going to pour about a nickel size. And then I'm going to take this stamp, which is a mermaid's tail, and I'm just going to lay it on top and let it set for a little bit. And I'll try to make a second one that's a little bit bigger. So I'll pour the rest of this wax. Clearly I put too many wax beads in there. So this is more of the size of a quarter, I guess. Oops. And I'll put this one in here. And look at how cute that is. So that's a mermaid's tail, and you can pop it off of this, and it will, you can use glue to adhere it to a card or even an envelope, I suppose, if you wanted to. So I'm just going to, it's still a little bit malleable, but how cute is that? And there you have it. Let's see how this one looks. Oh, that one came up. Oh, and there's the second one, a little mermaid's tail with some bubbles around it. Oops, there we go.